Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this periwinkle blue and purple makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the NYX Avant Pop palette for the blue shade. Here I'm beginning the blue half of the cut crease. Next, I'm using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette for the shade Vanity, which is a very dark purple, and I'm creating the purple half of the cut crease. Then I'm going in with more color and blending it out. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette for a lighter blue shade to blend out the darker one. Then I'll be using the same palette for the purple shade to blend out the darker purple. I'm trying to keep this blend very close to the cut crease and not go too far up into the eyebrows. Next, using makeup remover and Q-tips, I'm cutting the crease in a rounded shape. Next, using the Warrior 3 palette again, I'm using the sparkly Periwinkle shade for the inner eyelid corners. Then using the Juvia's Place Violets palette, I'm going to be using the lighter purple sparkly shade for the middle of the eye. Then using the same palette, I'm using the dark purple sparkly shade for the outer corners. Then I will be extending some of those colors down underneath the eye as well. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topping with false lashes. And that completes this periwinkle blue and purple makeup look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.